So class, now coming to our next new topic that you can see in the slide is digestion in grass-eating animals. So class, have you ever observed cows, buffaloes and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating grass? Actually, they quickly swallow the grass and store it in a separate part of the stomach called rumen. Here the food gets partially digested and is called curd. Curd is basically the food which has been just swallowed after chewing, and it is not much broken down. It is directly swallowed as soon as they have a grip on the grass. But later the curd returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chew it. This process is called rumination, and these animals are called ruminants who show the process of rumination in them. So, the grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. Ruminants have large sac-like structure between the small intestine and the large intestine, as you can see in the slide. The cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in human. That's why human can't digest cellulose, and that is the only reason why human can't eat grass. Now class, coming to our next topic, that is feeding and digestion in amoeba. So all of you know class that amoeba is a single celled organism. It is not multicellular organism. So everything happens from ingestion to digestion to egestion inside a single cell only. So, amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded, dense nucleus, and many blue bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one and more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for the movement and capture of food. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. When it senses food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and engulfs it. Engulfing means class, it is basically rounding around the food particle, trapping the food particle from surrounding it from all the sides. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. These digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance, and multiplication. Here, class, multiplication means reproduction. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. So this was all about the feeding and digestion of amoeba. I hope that all of you have understood well class. That's all for today. Thank you class.